This video will just answer the question, what's the best shutter speed for wedding photography? The best shutter speed for wedding photography is one that doesn't create unintentional motion blur or camera shake. What that means is usually above 1/200 if you're shooting indoors with a 70 to 200 millimeter lens. You can sometimes go a little slower than that with a wider lens. If you're outdoors and things are moving quickly, you might play it safe at above 1/500 or 1/1000 in order to play it safe and not get any camera shake or motion blur. From there, your shutter speed is going to be dictated by the lighting conditions, and you might need a slower shutter speed in order to keep your ISO from being too high or to be able to do whatever you want to do creatively with your aperture. If you need to know more about how ISO, shutter speed, and aperture work together, you can check out a video I did on that, or dive deeper into wedding photography settings for your camera. But really, shutter speed, unless you're creating an intentional motion blur, you're trying to keep it fast enough that you won't have that negative impact. There are times when slow shutter speed is used creatively, and I'll put up some examples where you can see motion blur used in an intentional way, such as dragging the shutter or capturing movement in an intentional way. Lastly, when it comes to flash, you need to know your flash sync speed and how that relates to your shutter speed. You'll probably have to shoot actually at 1/200 or 1/250 or slower in order for your camera and your flash to sync together. Thanks for stopping by. I can't wait to hear your question in the comments below. Be sure to check out the blog post and let me know what you've been up to.